Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Can-Am Maverik Sport Max. We've just installed the RYCO Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. This is the RYCO 8103A. The A stands for accent light. You can see this light has been installed right here on both sides. It does have that awesome daytime running light for added visibility. Over here on this model, you can see where those lights are replacing. This black piece is going to come out right there, and those cool new lights are going to go right in the machine. How does it work? How does it function? On the inside of the machine, you've got this column mount. Down will be left, just like in your car. Indicator lights up on the dash, letting you know the turn signals are on. How does it look? Way good. We love the chase functionality on this accent light. Looks awesome. Great visibility from the front as well as the sides. Ties into the stock tail lights, utilizing all of those bright LEDs. Great visibility. With the RYCO kit, you also have the four-way hazard function. You're going to simply pull out on this red lever. Again, you've got those indicators up on the dash and around the front. That just looks super cool. And around the back. Very nice. You also have your license plate mounting bracket as well as a light to illuminate that plate at night. To release the four-way hazard function, you're going to simply go up or down with this lever. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever as well. Check out our other videos for the RYCO 8103 kit. That is the kit that uses 3 amber LEDs that are going to mount somewhere, anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole. Again, if you are after this kit, be sure and purchase the 8103A. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll also post up in the link below to our sister store where you can go and purchase these online. Let us know what you think. Have a great day, everybody.